Pop the hood for me. Thank you.
Here, let me open up the toolbox.
Okay. Yeah, I'll make another loop around. That's a good looking setup.
Yeah, you don't see very many of these. That little extra space helps out a lot. There's a floor bed in the front over there and back here.
All kinds of tool space there.